What's up everybody, it's Luke from Arching Woods here. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. We're going to do like an unboxing. I think I've come up with the idea. Unboxings might be a popular thing. So, it's a very special piece we've got today. It's just arrived. I'm very excited. And the thing that makes this extra special, extra different for me is I'm a big fan of the brand, but I've never had a modern contemporary piece. I'll let you into it. So, what it is, it's a Gucci blazer, one of the modern ones. I've owned several vintage Gucci suits in my time, going back to, not that old, the 90s and 2000s, the sort of Tom Ford era we're a big fan of. We have one of them in the store at the moment currently, so check that out. For me, they're some of the best value you're going to get from a suit. Absolute Tom Ford level design and cut for a fraction of the price, like a quarter of the price. But today, it's arrived. It's a Gucci blazer, it's pink lapels, it's all check. It's exciting me, because I don't know what to expect. The thing I like about old Gucci suits is the structure, the material, but will the modern versions hold out? I really like what they're doing. Currently, it's very colourful, it's very adventurous, very different. This is one of the more conservative colours, but it's still out there, so we'll see. I'm rambling because I'm excited. So here it is. Comes in a Gucci bag. So this will be in store imminently, if not already. Comes in the bag. And let's have a look, shall we? So a bit of a fit check as well. I'm wearing my Kamoshita suit. Basically cosplaying as Kamoshita, Yusuto Kamoshita, because I love the guy, I want to be him. And yeah, also this Amiga, which is in the store now, this Omega dress watch, which I'm a huge fan of. And later on we're going to a Negroni event, so this is the gear. But let's have a look at this first. Okay, so this is how it's come. So Gucci hanger, always a good sign. Yeah, I mean, it's a hanger. And this is the blazer. So, immediate thoughts, it's a heavy fabric. It's very heavy. Very, I don't know, it's heavy and soft. Like, it's not stiff, it's not rigid. It's you can tell it's real quality there. So I love the lining. The lining is sick. Okay, let's go to a different angle. So here we have it. Some big ass lapels there. I feel like I'm like a new signing holding up my shirt. Right, so first of all, let's check out close up. Let's check. Really interesting colours, so yellows, browns, greys, orange. So yeah, they are really ambitious with their colours in the newish lines. This is probably the more reserved one. I'm a big fan of the big lapels. I know it's something that's actually going a little bit the other way. We're going a bit slimmer now, but 70s always. It's the 70s, man. Yeah, so initial feels. Heavy fabric, really well made, soft at the same time. So you know you can wear this around and like live in it. You can live in this for sure. But let's try it on. Okay, so thing to remember, this is not my size. I think it's a size up. This is a UK 40, European 50, normally a 38. I'd also, I'm not got the longest arm, so it was not going to be tailored to me, but we'll see. Boom! Immediately, you can look at that. I mean, that shoulder structure, some heavy roping, big ass lapels. Look at these broad lapels. I wouldn't wear this dark t-shirt right there, but that's not bad. Let's go a bit further up. Let's go a bit back. So yeah, you see it's quite long. It's a good sized torso. It just comes right under the butt. I'm gonna fold these up just for show. Also, these are nice. Nice quality buttons, nice and hefty. Interesting pattern with it, with a little Gucci. But yeah, what do you think? It's pretty long for me, I think. But yeah, for me, I'm absolutely loving the pant, love the lapels and the shoulders as well. It gives you, you know, this is what tailoring is all about. If you're not getting a bespoke suit, and it can just give you a bit of structure, something a little bit different, a different silhouette that you're not going to get normally. Okay, it's going to be hard not to keep this suit. It's in the store now. I'm going to give it a certain amount of time before I snap it up myself, because look at it. I've probably not paired it with the best gear today, but I'm in a rush. The Gucci label. So supposedly this has been like worn like once, if that. Because the guy said he bought it for his wedding and didn't actually wear it. So yeah, this is my first time wearing a contemporary Gucci piece, and I'm very impressed. It's mostly with the quality of the material, the thickness of it, but it's not so thick that it just bulks you out. It's really well cut. The silhouette is unique. It's a really lovely piece, and yeah, this will be in store. So these retail at 2,200 to 500. We'll have it in store for £900. But if you use the code Gucci, then we'll knock £50 off. So £850 for this blazer. Any questions, get in touch. It's hello@archerandwoods.co.uk or at Archer and Woods on all the socials. Look forward to hearing from you.